Hey guys, welcome back to the AU channel. So today what we're going to do is we're going to be making a spring tulip picture. So what you're going to need some scissors, some glue, a pencil for tracing, and then on the computer I actually found a tulip stencil, so I'm going to use this to cut out and then trace it onto the different colors. So we're going to be making 3 tulips, and then we're going to be putting it on a piece of baby blue construction paper, which is supposed to be for like the sky background. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out your tulip and your leaf. Alright, so I cut out my tulip, and then after I'm going to cut out the leaf. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace 3 of each color. So I'm going to start with the yellow one, and then trace 3 of these and cut them out, because you're going to be making a 3D version of a tulip. I'm going to take each yellow tulip and then I'm going to fold them in half. Actually, I'm only going to do that with 2 of them, and then the third one is going to be flat. So then we're going to focus on making the leaves. So we're going to make 2 leaves for each flower. So I'm going to trace those. And then I'll probably just flip it over to get the leaf on the other side. Alright, and then you're going to go ahead and do the same thing, just cut them out. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue my first stem on. So basically just cut like a thick strip of green paper. Then I'm going to take my 2 leaves that I traced, and I'm going to glue these guys on. Alright, and then what I'm going to do, so with these 3 pieces, I'm going to go ahead and glue the first tulip. it should look like that. And then for this next part, I'm actually going to use a hot glue gun because I'm only going to be gluing this part, so it'll probably stay on better with a hot glue gun. But you could also probably use a glue stick, so it's up to you. What I'm going to do while I'm waiting for the glue gun to dry, or to heat up, is I'm going to go ahead and trace my purple flower. Is you can also fold your paper 3 times to make it a little bit faster and have the shapes all be the same size. Okay, so for the last part, what we're going to do is we're going to fold 2 of the yellow pieces and we're going to glue them in the center. So just like that. So you're going to just hold it in the middle, and it's going to give it that 3D effect. So just going to hold it down for a second. And then you're going to take another one, and this is going to be folded a little bit more. So you're going to glue that one in the center. Do is we're going to fold 2 of the yellow pieces and we're going to glue them in the center. So just like that. So you're going to just hold it in the middle, and it's going to give it that 3D effect. So just going to hold it down for a second. And then you're going to take another one, and this is going to be folded a little bit more. So you're going to glue that one in the center. Alright, so you should have your yellow flower, and it has this 3D effect. Then we're going to go ahead and do the purple one. So you're going to go ahead, do the same thing, just fold both of the pieces in half. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my 2 layers on. And just let that dry for a little bit. But with the glue, hot glue, it usually dries pretty fast. And you can make as many as you want. I chose to do 2 just because it made the picture look nicer. But so this is your tulip project.